Hello, welcome to Esther's Kitchen, and this is her channel today, and we'll tell you about fruits, vegetables, strong things and healthy, and we'll talk about some healthy things every day and we'll eat it. And I'll tell you about fruits first. You can eat strawberries and pineapple and mango, yeah, and without
grapes.
Yeah, grapes and blueberries, blackberries.
Did you mention strawberries?
Yeah.
What about some vegetables that we can eat?
Oh, yeah. And we can talk about broccoli, spinach, carrots.
What do vegetables do?
They make you healthy and strong.
Oh, wow, that's good to hear. What do you want to tell people to do? Go check what?
Check your channel and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.
We love those.
Yeah. And subscribe to her channel.
Go do it.
Check out her website and you'll learn a lot of cooking tips with Esther.
Thank you so much, Mama. Do you have something else to say?
Mm-hmm.
What?
And you can also learn some new cooking tips with Esther.com.
Yes. Go visit. It's www.healthycookingtips with Esther.com. Please go visit. Make good use of those recipes. Like my daughter has said, she said, Mom is the best cook in town because she cooks healthy foods.
Yeah, and she cooks a lot of yummy things. And they're very healthy. They're good for your body. They can make you strong.
All right, go check it out.
Yeah.
It's www.healthycookingtips with Esther.com.
.com. Bye.